Hello, I'm Butch Wilmore, and I am the commander of Expedition 42 aboard the International Space Station. And I thought I'd take the opportunity just to share a few thoughts about Thanksgiving, this holiday that's coming up in just a few days. And for me, I think me and my family, the first thing we think of when we think of Thanksgiving is, of course, going all the way back to those early settlers when they endured some really rough times crossing the ocean and getting started in an unknown land, an unknown area. And, they paused and they thanked God for what He had provided for them up to that point. And that's kind of the genesis of this holiday that we share today. So that's the first thing I think about. And I think about being thankful as well in that same fashion. There's so much we have to be thankful for in this nation. Freedom, of course, being the most obvious one. I'm thankful for people that get up in the morning and they go to do their job, and their jobs entail things that means that they may not come back. And I'm talking specifically about our military, people around the globe that are doing things day in and day out that make a difference for freedom. And like I said, they get up in the morning, they know their task that's ahead of them, and they realize there's a chance they may not return, and they go anyway. And I'm thankful for those people. I'm thankful for those people. I'm thankful for their families that sacrifice much for the freedom we have to have a holiday like Thanksgiving. Personally, we sit around the table at my home and we kind of go around the table and we talk about being thankful and what we're thankful for, and recognize the holiday, the purpose for what it's about. And of course, Thanksgiving is always about food as well, and we share special meals, and we have plans, at least I do, for when my crewmates are here in just a couple of days. This is smoked turkey, so I'm going to have some smoked turkey. This here is cornbread dressing. Rehydrate that. That's going to be mighty tasty. In the morning, I'll be thankful in the morning for breakfast too. This is grits and butter. You don't get no better than grits and butter. I can't get enough of that up here. It's good stuff. And of course, for dessert, you got to have cran apples on Thanksgiving. So cranberry. So I got a little cranberry pie here. So that'll be good as well. And of course, I'm from Tennessee, so I grew up drinking sweet tea. So I've got a little sweet tea as well. So we're going to have all of that up here and try to share in the spirit of the season. And as we go forward, I look back at the 2 months that I've been here and the things that I've had the opportunity to experience, and the people from the ground that I've worked with from afar, that are processing experiments, doing all the science that we are really operators for up here. I'm thankful for them and the efforts that they're doing for the benefit of mankind. And looking back at the last 2 months, it's been a busy couple of months, but it's been very, very rewarding, and hopefully very rewarding for many people back there as well. And we look forward to doing the same during the rest of Expedition 42, which is still got about 3.5 months to go, with many science projects and payloads ahead of us, several spacewalks planned, some arm operations, many things that are running the whole gamut. So it's an exciting time, and a time to be thankful for being here. And one other thing before I close, you think about spaceflight, at least I did when I was a kid, and the thing you think about is being weightless, and the opportunity to just float effortlessly. I can do my bat imitation, so I can hang from the ceiling like a bat. And I'm thankful for these type of things that you dream about, literally dream about. And now to have the opportunity to take part and share in it is special and amazing. And I'm thankful for that. So with that, I say to all of you there, Happy Thanksgiving. May it be a blessed day for every one of you. Don't eat too much.